Anuradha Singh, who believes nurturing and parenting are the world's most delightful space in our lives, where we are not only introduced the most amazing experiences, but we also grow as a parent and human being to the kids. Welcome to my channel, Fizzy Busy. Let's make learning easy. So, learning is not only defined to the kids, but in every stage of life we keep learning things, we keep learning, we keep growing, right? So even in this channel it will provide early stage learning to new parents, to the beginners like teachers who all are going to start pre-primary education with pre-primary children. So this is one platform solution for all your doubts, all your questions. Here we are also going to deal with parent counseling, your day-to-day questions, your solutions to the questions, and all the child psychology. What are their needs? What they all need to tell us, and how we have to understand as a parent, as a teacher, and how we have to behave with kids. So please do tune with the channel to know more about this channel. So by learning, I do not mean that we have to sit at a place and to write and to learn and to, mug up things. But here, learning is, everything is practical, okay? Practical knowledge. And yes, we will also have academic knowledge based on the writing and reading techniques. But here we are talking more about fun learning. As earlier we used to live with joint family, live in a joint family where we were having grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunties, and many more people around us, and they used to teach us on daily basis. Every day it was a learning, one or the other thing we used to learn on daily basis, and more of practical learning, right? But these days, where children are confined to nuclear family, they're only grown in between their siblings and mother and father, where mother and father are the working parents. So it has been very difficult, to guide them, to keep talking with them, to keep engaging them into one or the other activity. So this channel is going to help those children and the parents how to engage their children in daily EPL, yani early practical learning techniques. Okay, so we'll be doing it on daily basis. You can take advice from the channel, you can take the activities from the channel which I will be uploading soon, and from there you can engage your children at home. So you must be curious about which platform I'm going to use for the academic training of children. So for early development of children, I'm using multiple intelligence theory, which is also known as Gardner's theory. So in this, I will be using 8 total implementation from the multiple intelligence theory, which is I'm going to implement in my academic and in my daily sessions. All right, so let us see what all those multiple intelligence theory I'm going to take. In this multiple intelligence theory, Mr. Gardner tried to teach us that a child is not only confined to bookish language, to learning and sitting at a place with paper and pencil, but the child can be visual smart, he can be body smart, he can be nature smart, he can be art smart. So there are few factors which we have to focus on, not only by sitting and making them learn on pen and paper, right? So the main mission of my channel is to provide platform for beginners. By beginners I mean new parents and a new pre-primary teacher to understand child psychology and how to work on it. And we will be also working on to provide solution for all kind of early age development, such as parenting, early age learning, early age training. Okay. And the third point we are focusing is will be, we are also here to provide and guide you on parent counseling, parenting, child psychology. So it is very necessary to understand child psychology. So please do tune with my channel to know more about it. And yes, if you have any difficulty, you can write your questions in the comment and I'll try to make video on the particular topic. Thank you. And our main motive, our vision is to celebrate childhood along with healthy parenting. So please do tune with this channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share the link of the channel. And do tune with us for more parenting and child psychology, the questions and solutions on that. Thank you.